If you want to indulge in these wonderful cakes today, stay with us. To prepare this cake, we won't cook or bake anything. It's great, for example, if you're expecting some unexpected guests, or you don't want to spend a lot of time preparing a fantastic dessert. In a bowl, place 250 grams of mascarpone cheese or any cream cheese, but make sure it's not salty. I recommend ABC. Pour 450 milliliters of whipping cream. I'm using plant-based, pre-sweetened. If you're using dairy, add 50 grams of powdered sugar. After whipping, add 300 to 350 grams of any kind of hazelnut spread. And combine everything with a mixer. Stir a bit more and our cream is ready. In a 30 by 20 centimeters tray, layer a row of Petit biscuits dipped in milk. On top of the biscuits, spread 1/3 of the previously prepared cream. Over the cream, place another row of Petit biscuits. Again, spread 1/3 of the cream. After spreading this layer of cream, repeat the process one more time. Biscuits in milk, then cream. Wipe the edges like this and place in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes while we prepare the glaze. For the glaze, break 200 grams of white chocolate and pour 50 milliliters of sweet cream over it. You can also make the glaze with 100 grams of white chocolate and a tablespoon of oil. This is how it should look in the end. Pour the prepared glaze over the cake. After spreading it, shake it a bit. Then, optionally, sprinkle with chopped or blended hazelnuts or chocolate. Now let everything sit to firm up.